Hey everybody, Andy here at Parts Online Network, and today we are going to show you how to remove a tail lamp assembly from a 2002 to 2006 Dodge Ram. Now I know what you're thinking. The tail lights should be similar on a 2007 to 2008. They are similar, but they are not the same. If you're familiar with them, 2002 to 2006 is a smooth lamp. The 07 to 08 have the big, I call them like 59 Cadillac looking tail light things coming off of them. They're hideous, but they're a different light. They have a 2-bulb system instead of the 3-bulb system that is in the 02 to 06. If we ever get an 07 to 08, we'll shoot a video of how to take those apart and replace the bulbs on those. But for now, you're getting the 02 to 06 Ram video today. Okay. Tools that you'll need for this job: T25 Torx bit, which handles the bolts on the inside of the tail light. I am again using a battery-powered 1/4-inch ratchet for sake of time. And you will need a Phillips screwdriver. This is only if you are replacing bulbs or you need to replace the tail light circuit board. This is what holds that onto the back of the tail light itself. All right, you're going to take your T25 Torx bit. Your 2 screws that hold the tail lamp in are right here. And I should put this on loosen. And as you can see, that loosens the lamp up, but it's not completely out. On the side here are 2 pins with bushings in the bedside. So you want to grab the lamp like this to pop it out of those bushings. So as you can see right here, pin, pin, and then the bushings are in the bedside here. Now, this is the first time I've taken this tail light out. Normally there is a red lock here that would hold this in place. The lock is gone, so this connector is broken. You push down on it there to release it, and now you have your lamp off. This takes us to our next step. Now, if you're replacing the whole lamp and it already has a circuit board, you do not need to do anything with the Phillips. This is essentially for replacing the bulbs. You're going to want to take this tail lamp circuit board off, and these are held on by Phillips screws. And there you are. So you have all 3 of your bulbs here. Basically your parking light, your turn signal, brake light, and reverse light bulb. Make up all 3 of the bulbs here. Reinstallation is super easy. Oh, well, while I have it out, I might as well just show you. Bulb, you just pull on the bulb to pop it out. Real easy. Push it back in, clips back into place. And then you just reverse the order with your 4 Phillips screws. Now when I'm going back together, I don't tighten them right away because of them being all spread out. I do just get them a little snug till you get all of them snug, so if something is not lined up, you're not just going full send and breaking the tail lamp, because I have seen some come in where the tail lamp is broken around that screw hole. Reinstallation, we're just going to reverse it, plug it back in. Now, if you have the lock, you're going to want to make sure you relock it. So first things first, you're going to line the lamp up with those bushings and then give it a push, and you'll hear it snap in. That's how you'll know you have it right. Grab your Torx bolts, or Torx screws, I should say. I usually start one just to hold the light in place. Start the second. And snug it up. And it really is that simple. Now, if you're replacing bulbs, circuit board, the whole lamp itself, it's really an easy job that you can do in however long this video is, which is probably 3 or 4 minutes. If you do need any replacement parts, we do have new and used tail lamp circuit boards, new and used tail lights, all available on our website, usepartsonlinenetwork.com. And follow us for more Tech Tip Tuesdays to help save you some money to not have to take your car to a shop to get the easy stuff done that you could do at home.